Right, so hi everyone. I'm kind of doing the second part of fitting the Snorkel. I had it all in place, sort of test fitted it, as you can see. But yeah, I need to sort of glue and fit it fully in place to finish it off. I'm going to quickly just make this hole a bit more bigger, so it just makes it easier if I've ever got to work on it again. Don't want to backpedal to doing this again, so I've got to take out the airbox again, which ain't a biggie, so I'm going to get doing that, and then I'll get cutting in here. So yeah, I'll get to it. Alright, what I've done now is sanding around here with a bit of 80 long hair, so I don't cut my hand when I'm fitting anything up. I'll spray a bit of paint on there, stop it rusting away as they do. And I'll give it over up in here, stop all that turning into rust what I've cut off. I'm just going to use some satin black around here, Halfords. Right, this is just all the stuff I'm using, really. Nothing major or overly expensive. The tube which come in the kit was like massively long. It could reach to the other side of the bonnet. I've got some pictures where I shortened it. I've had to like re-glue it together. So yeah, that'd be going in like so. I've cut it out now a bit better, so hopefully not too much of an issue. So there you go, nice. Right, so I kind of masked this up so when I seal it around, it ain't going to go everywhere and be really messy. So tape it up, and then under here I had to undo this here to get this flap down. You get covered in crap here, so I've got a sealer under it and undo some clips. I've undone them, and you get real messy because you've got to go under here like this. I don't know if you can see, can't see what you're seeing, but up here, so I'm going to bolt it all up. I mean, this option is better than trying to take off the bumper and take the wing off and yeah, stuff that. This is like the easiest way on whatever truck you're fitting one on, really, I guess. Going up under it. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. I've got to take that off quickly and then start getting it ready. Right, this is going to be fun. Plenty of adhesive around it. We'll go for the push on. Well, did it. It's glued on there now. It's glued on there. That was not easy, but we've done it. There you go. We're there. It was messy. Hard work jamming your hand in there. Look at that, lovely. Here we go. All tightened up. Looking pretty. Nice job. Happy. It's good to be happy. It's nice out there, isn't it?